Welcome guys, how are you? Friends, if you also want to make such an image from AI, then in today's video I am going to give you its prompt for free. So watch the video till the end, and if you want to write any of your favorite prompts, then write to us in the comments. We will make a video on that too. And we also give you free. So friends, like and share with friends and subscribe to the channel to watch this type of video, in which you are going to get free amazing prompts, which you can also go to any AI picture making website and paste there, and make this type of images. So friend, this is the text prompt from which we have generated this type of image. So from here you can also see this and write and paste it anywhere. Then you can create this type of images. We have also written this text prompt in our description. From there also you can copy it, and in future we are going to bring such videos from prompts. So stay connected with the channel. Thank you.